check it. We about to run it. Me and my cousin. First gear at 20. Hopefully this is not in the way. Hopefully the wide angle gets me on this side. But let's check it. I'm about to line up right here. Can't beat him. Gapped by 3 cars. Fuck. I misshipped that second one though. Fuck it. I'm too excited. Let's do this again. It's alright. I have an excuse. I'm stuck. Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going? I'm kind of annoyed right now because I lost an hour of sleep. I think it's called daylight saving or whatever that thing is when time jumps an hour forward. But besides that, I'm pretty excited right now because I'm about to go run my cousin. He has an Evo 10 final edition. He's got a couple mods on it. I'm not going to talk about it because that's not my business. If he wants to say anything about it, then I'll record him and he'll talk about it if he wants to. The reason we're about to run it right now is because my car my bad. My car is stock. Everything. No catback, no nothing, no intake, just the wrap and all that other shit cosmetically. But in 2 days, I'm about to put a catback in it. So I want to see how I compare to him right now and how I compare to him later. This will be a test to see if my catback actually gives me more power or not. If I could beat him, or if I stay close to him, or even closer, or tie, whatever the case may be, then that means the catback gives me more power. And I can always test this correctly by tuning it, but I'm not gonna do that yet. I have other projects first before I do that. But the reason why I haven't, well, actually I've had this catback sitting in my house for about 2 weeks. I haven't installed it because I did other stuff first, like wrapping and putting my new wheels on. But now I'm about to focus on performance wise instead of cosmetics all the time. We're about to run it, and then afterwards, maybe at the end of the exhaust clips installation, whatever you want to call it, I will put a new update of my catback in, and I will show us running it again. Hopefully we get to run it again. Peace.
Awesome color.
Thank you.
And that is a beautiful car.
Appreciate it.
God bless.
Nice one. Later.
You have a good one.
Can't get him. Fuck this shit. Nice stuff, little cut. He took my car. I'm jealous. Alright, I'm about to raise my other cousin's S2K 25 run at first gear. He's in a honk. Fuck, I ain't ready for this shit. Damn, this shit's quick too. Right neck and neck. Oh, I can't even get him too. What the hell? This is fun, but fuck, I need to learn how to drive. Man, I'm getting embarrassed out here. His S2K is just way too light. Nice little cut, nice. What it do, baby? Quiet landing right there. Nah, I shouldn't have been doing that. But anyways, what's up everybody? How's it going? Today is a sad day. As you could tell from the previous clip, Mother Nature is crying, which is not completely wrong with me or bad with me, because I do like this gloomy, dark, grungy weather. It's just my vibe. It's my personality, my character. But anyways, it's a sad day because 2 days ago I lost a race, actually 2 races against 2 of my cousins in 2 separate cars. That's a lot of 2s. But anyways, one of them has an Evo 10 final edition. The other one has a S2K AP1 2006, I believe, or is it 05 or 04? I'm not sure. It's one of those. It's nice. As you can see from the previous clips or earlier in this video, we ran it a couple times and I lost. But all that's gonna change today, because today I'm installing my exhaust. So it's also a wonderful day. After I install this exhaust, we're gonna run it again, me and my 2 cousins. I'm not sure when, but when we do, I'll post it up. It might be 2 videos from now, because everything that I'm about to do today, all the exhaust installation is not gonna be on this video. It's gonna be on the next one. So stay tuned and watch. At the end of this video, I'm gonna have a sound clip of my stock exhaust, and I think it sounds pretty good. We'll see though. I'm not sure what it sounds like on camera. But after that, I am going to, I don't know what I'm talking about. Comment, rate, subscribe, like, share if you will. If you like anything I do, like I said, support the page, please and thank you. Later.